Instant Courier Rates, your urgent and time-sensitive package delivery solution provider.
Hi everyone! Today we're diving into the future of urgent package delivery and the key trends shaping 2025.
If you're in logistics, healthcare, manufacturing, or business services, this is a must-watch. Trend Hash 1: Smarter Deliveries.
AI-powered route optimization is leading the charge. Faster deliveries, lower fuel costs, and increased efficiency are now the standard.
Our SaaS courier management solution leverages this to streamline every delivery. Trend 2: Real-time tracking.
Clients and businesses expect transparency. Real-time updates and live ETAs are game changers, helping to reduce delays and improve customer satisfaction.
Trend Hash 3: Eco-friendly logistics. Sustainability is no longer optional. Companies are prioritizing optimized routes to reduce emissions, and our SaaS solution ensures you stay eco-conscious without compromising efficiency.
These trends are more than predictions, they're realities shaping the delivery landscape.
With our SaaS courier management platform, you're ready to meet these challenges head-on and thrive in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on the logistics industry. Go to instantcourierrates.com for free quotes on your next delivery.